Leetcode daily challenge. Question 865. Smallest subtree with all the deepest nodes. This is a medium problem. The solution for this one gonna be recursive. Check this tree. All we want to know is how many levels are there for a subtree. For this subtree, for node number 3, the level gonna be 4. And if we check the left child and the right child of this node 3, there are going to be 3 levels for node 5 and 2 levels for the right child, which is a node 1. Obviously, we can take this subtree out. We don't need the right child. And both of the node 3 and node 5 includes all the deepest nodes, and we want to find out the smallest one, which gonna be node number 5. So we can get rid of the root node and the right child. We keep going recursively. Same thing for node 5. And since the right child is deeper than the left child, we're gonna go the right child for this time until we reach the point that left child and right child are the same. Both of them includes all the deepest nodes. Then in this case, the root of the subtree gonna be the result we are looking for. Same for this right child. If there's another node here, say 9, and we're gonna find out that for root node number 3, the left child and right child have the same levels, and in that case, the root node itself will be the answer we're looking for. So, which means 3 cases: left child equal to right child. The second one, left child is deeper. Third one, the right child is deeper. That's the solution we're gonna use.